Hi, I'm Anastasia Chatzka. I'm a fashion designer, sewing educator, and rock and roll cat mom with over 20 years of sewing experience. And I'm here to teach you everything I know about sewing and fashion design and to spread my love of sewing. So let's start sewing together. Hi! So today is Friday, and that means it's sewing pizza party class time. Once a month, I host a sewing pizza party class. So what does that even mean? So there's 5 hours of open studio sewing, so you can bring a project to work on, and you have access to my entire studio. So all the awesome machines, the cutting tables, basic things like scissors and rulers and chalk too. So all you need to do is bring your supplies to create your actual project. And I've got tons of pizza and drinks. I've got all the machines to do anything you could possibly imagine. The Designer Epic does beautiful embroidery, so if you want to embroider anything, we can use the Designer Epic. If you want to do some serging, I have tons of sergers on this wall. For knitwear, we also have cover stitch on them and flat lock, so any sort of knit stitch you could imagine with a serger, we got it. This is our big sewing work table where everyone sits down and works on their projects. Lots of straight stitch machines, and we also have a few cover stitch machines at this table. And this is our huge, beautiful cutting table, which will soon be full of people cutting out projects and eating pizza. So the party is almost here. I'm so excited to see what everyone's gonna bring to create this evening. There's always a ton of creative, inspiring energy in the room for these events. This is a great place to come to meet other like-minded people who also love to sew. So come and join your sewing friends. I throw this party once a month. So let's get this party started. I can't wait. Carolyn, what are you working on right now?
I'm working on some tote bags, and I made this a nice messenger style tote bag with quilted fabric, but guess what?
It's reversible!
What? Fully reversible, so you can have 2 looks.
So cool.
And I added French seams and everything.
Check those out. What's your favorite thing about Pizza Sewing Party class?
My favorite thing is you get to hang out and gossip with everybody while you drink. It's the best part.
What's your favorite part about Pizza Party Sewing class?
Carolyn?
Yay! That's me!
So what are you working on tonight?
Sew, like sew Anastasia, get it? So, I am sewing a short dress, skirt, shirt, top, tunic for my daughter.
Awesome, very cool. And what's your favorite part about Pizza Party Sewing class?
That I have become a Serge Pro.
You have, we're calling him Sergeroni Tony. So tell me, what are you working on tonight?
I'm working on a cow sleeve. It's basically draped on a tiny bodice. It's a miniature form right now.
And tell me, what is your favorite part about Sewing Pizza Party class?
Besides everyone around, the energy, it's also using great tools like the Viking sewing machines.
So what are you guys working on tonight?
We are working on sewing patches, elbow patches, onto his sweater.
And what is your favorite part about Sewing Pizza Party class?
The booze.
The booze.
Pizza.
The pizza. Pizza and booze and sewing. What more could you want?
Yes.
Don't forget, Sewing Pizza Party class only happens once a month. So make sure you check the website and sign up as soon as you see it because there's only spots for 10 people.